Israel detains 23 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Airstrike kills 3, injures 12 in Idlib, Syria. Syrian regime forces approach Idlib's Khan Sheikhoun. Daesh senior militant nabbed in Iraq's Anbar. Iraqi president urged US and Iran to de-escalate tension. Iran says to reduce more obligations under nuke deal. Russia welcomes deal between Sudan's army and opposition. Sudan's Bashir appears in court for corruption trail. Despite uprising, economic crisis bites Sudan's civilians. Riots flare in Indonesia after racist student attack. At least 28 killed in rain-related incidents in India. Restriction imposed in parts of Kashmir, Srinagar.